there.
Okay.
At my party. And I want cake there. I want cake, Mommy.
You want cake?
Oh,
what kind of cake?
Your greasy hands in my head.
You want a pink cake?
Yeah, and I want candles on it, and I want to blow it.
Oh, well, that's going to be fun. I think we'll do that.
Today?
Not today. It's going to be about 2 months.
We already had Reese's birthday.
We did? Okay.
And we had Chuck E. Cheese there.
We did? And did you like Chuck E. Cheese?
No.
Why not?
Because
what?
I said no.
I heard you. You're pretty funny.
And I want Easter and macaroni.
You want macaroni at your party?
No.
Okay.
And I want cake and a drink.
Amira, don't play with that.
I want to play with that.
Well, Amira, who did we meet today?
We met.
Very good.
We met, what did we meet?
Katrina. And how old is Katrina?
5 years old.
All right. And how old are you?
2.
And when will you be? How old will you be on your next birthday?
I'll be 4.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
When is your birthday, Amira?
September 5th.
And how old will you be on September 5th?
I will be 4.
No, you won't.
When I will turn for my birthday, I will turn 2.
No, you won't. No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
Okay, I'm gonna meet Reese at my party, and
Okay.
then we're gonna have cake there, and Elise.
And Elise?
Yep.
Yeah, Elise is pretty nice, isn't she?
She hugged me too hard at my house.
Oh, she hugs you too hard?
Yeah.
Well, you tell Elise next time, don't hug me so hard, Elise. Okay?
Okay.
She didn't know. She just likes to love on you extra much.
I like to do that to you too.
Like to hug me hard? What if I don't want to be hugged hard?
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
I'm just gonna reach for
All right, well, let's see here, Kenyon. What's on your... Is that right? That's who you want at your party, too? When you turn 1? Who do you want at your party?
He wants Elise too.
You want Elise at your party? Kenyon, no girls at your party, son.
He wants Reese there.
Reese? Oh, Reese, yeah. Reese might can come to her 1-year-old birthday party when he's 5.
He can't come at my party, right?
No boys allowed, so we won't let Kenyon come either. All right.
And where's Kenyon gonna stay?
Kenyon is going to a friend's house.
You have a lot of those, don't you?
Huh?
You been busy at playgroup?
King's birthday? Is it King's birthday? It's gonna wait for a minute.
You gonna
So what do you want at your party? What do you want?